Business funding. Use OPM, other people's money, to start and grow your business. Ever wondered how the wealthiest entrepreneurs seem to create success out of thin air? The secret lies in mastering one powerful tool, OPM, or other people's money. Imagine starting or growing your dream business, all without using a single cent of your own cash. Sounds impossible. It's not, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage OPM to take your business to the next level. Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Max channel. I'm passionate about sharing strategies that help you build wealth, grow your business, and achieve financial freedom. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful concepts in the entrepreneurial world, using other people's money, or OPM, to start and expand your business. So, what exactly is OPM? Simply put, it's the art of using resources, particularly money, that doesn't belong to you to fuel your business growth. This could mean taking out loans, finding investors, or even securing partnerships where others contribute financially to your vision. And the best part? It's a win-win when done right. Now, let's break it down. Here's what you can expect from today's video. The benefits of using OPM over your own capital. Practical scenarios and calculations to illustrate the power of OPM. Real-life examples of businesses that have thrived using OPM. Step-by-step guidance on how you can start using OPM today. Segment 1, the benefits of using OPM. Let's start with the why. Why should you consider using OPM instead of just saving up your own money or bootstrapping your business? Here are 3 compelling reasons. First, leveraging OPM allows you to preserve your personal savings. Why drain your bank account when you can use someone else's capital to get your business off the ground? Second, it accelerates growth. With more capital at your disposal, you can scale faster, outpace your competition, and capture market share more effectively. And third, it spreads risk. By using OPM, you're sharing the financial risk with others. This means if things don't go as planned, your personal finances remain intact. Segment 2, calculations and scenarios. Let's make this real with some numbers. Imagine you're starting a business that requires $100,000 in startup cost. Instead of using your own savings, you secure a loan at a 5% interest rate. That's $5,000 in interest over the first year. Now, let's say your business generates $150,000 in revenue in its first year, with $50,000 in net profit after expenses. That $5,000 in interest is a small price to pay for the ability to earn $50,000 without touching your savings. And remember, you still have $95,000 of OPM working for you as your business grows. This example shows how OPM can enhance your return on investment, ROI, and keep your personal finances secure. Segment 3, real-life examples. Host. Want to see how this works in the real world? Let's talk about a couple of well-known entrepreneurs. Consider Elon Musk. When he started Tesla, he used a mix of investor funding and loans to fuel its growth, rather than relying solely on his own wealth. By leveraging OPM, Musk was able to scale Tesla rapidly, taking it from a niche electric car company to a global powerhouse. Another example is Richard Branson, who famously used OPM to launch his Virgin Group. Instead of pouring all his money into each venture, Branson would use investor money to fund his projects, sharing the risk and reward. Segment 4, how to start using OPM today. Host. Ready to start using OPM in your own business? Here's a simple 3-step guide. Step 1, identify your funding needs. Know exactly how much money you need and for what purpose. This will help you target the right sources of OPM. Step 2, explore funding options. This could include bank loans, venture capital, angel investors, or even crowdfunding. Each option has its pros and cons, so choose the one that aligns with your business goals. Step 3, present a compelling business case. Investors and lenders need to see that your business is worth their money. Prepare a solid business plan that highlights your vision, strategy, and potential returns. Conclusion. Using OPM isn't just for the rich and famous. It's a strategic tool that anyone can use to start or grow a business. By leveraging other people's money, you can scale faster, reduce your risk, and keep your personal finances secure. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring OPM opportunities today and turn your business dreams into reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on building wealth and growing your business. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with using OPM.